I got myself the new DJI Flip, and I'm going to see if it can actually follow a motorbike. This is not a review on the drone. I will do a better review later. It is quite windy, it's rainy, and I just want to see if it can follow a motorbike. There's just a lot of YouTube channels that shows that it can follow bicycle and a human, but I cannot see really a lot actually following a motorbike. I know it can't follow a car, a vehicle, but let's test it quickly. Okay, there's my new Flip. For this exercise I'm not going to use the remote, I'm only going to use the phone. Okay, I'm going to open it. Then it should start up automatically. Okay. It started up automatically.
Circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track, follow. Close, follow, 3, 2, 1. Obstacle sensing unavailable, fly with caution. Now recording. Once filming is complete, tap I'm done filming on your device to enter the landing section of the tutorial.
While I was riding, there was 1 or 2 times the drone got slightly behind. I'm not sure exactly what it was. When I braked, the drone braked as well, and then when I ride faster, the drone actually speed up. On the paved road I sped up quite a bit. I think it was about 35 to 40 kilometers per hour, and the drone followed me. Even around the turn, the drone also followed me. One thing that impressed me is there was a branch hanging over the road, and the drone immediately stopped. And then still the drone was seeking for me. And as soon as the drone could see me, it actually flew closer to me. I was really impressed with that. Even when I turned the bike around, the drone actually had an eye on me and it followed me as well. Okay, there it is. It's looking at me. So it's still following me, it's very close, but let's go and see. I think it's really a great drone, but definitely something that on that gravel roads and passes can follow you. Yep, it is definitely following me. I don't know how to record it because my camera was not really straight, but at the moment it is following. See, I'm running. following me. No, it's definitely following me. So it can definitely follow somebody on a motorbike, and I was actually going about 40 kilometers per hour. I think that's, maybe it's max range, maybe you can go to 50, but yeah, I actually think it's quite a nice drone. Okay, let's see. If you want it to land, put up your hand and just there. It followed me, and I'm very happy. So it can follow somebody on a motorbike. Don't expect it to go like 100 kilometers per hour. I will say like 40 kilometers per hour to about maybe max 50, but I think you will start out running it at 50. But yeah, like 35, 40, I think you're safe. But on a gravel road, who wants to go that fast? But no, it does not follow a vehicle.